Hi there. This is my attempt at making my garage door a bit stronger than it is from the factory. These doors are really weak. The mechanism at the top is a bit of plastic and they flex so easy it's not hard to break into them at all. So I thought I'd make something a little bit better. I designed one of these little latches. It took me a while. I made about 3 before I got it right. There's one that goes on either side of the door. It's spring-loaded, so it's disengaged when it's not being used, and it can't engage with the runner and jam the door accidentally. So you push it in like that and put a little padlock on the other side of it. So if anyone gets in your house, they can't find your car keys and drive your car out through the garage door. It was fairly easy to make. All these materials came, like I had them in the shed, but you can easily buy them from a hardware store. You will need a drill, some drill bits, a hacksaw, and probably a vise to hold the steel while you cut it, and maybe a file just to dress it. It just pushes through like that through the runner. It's fairly simple. I made a third lock in the middle. This one complements the other two. I bolted it to the concrete, and it's just a stainless hinge from a boating shop. It flips up like that and the pin goes through the hole. I had to drill that extra hole in it. So the door comes down, you flick the hinge up, and I just put a clip through it. Anyway, that's my door modification. I hope it helps somebody. It's given us peace of mind for when we go away. Bye for now.